So one of the things I noticed a while back is that if you go to Netflix and you click on one of the images, what'll happen is that it'll expand like this. And it's quite a simple little trick to replicate in CSS. So today I'm just going to show you quickly. Basically this is just one of the design boxes that I've created for a website. As you can see, I've got pattern around the text, and when you hover over, that pattern changes, plus there's a transition and a font size and a colour change, and it's about simple. And obviously if you want to change an image, you would just change the width and height. It's quite a simple trick to replicate, but it adds a little bit of flavour and visual design to your website. Anyway, that's all for now. Just a quick video on that.